show. It's not dumb. It's my favorite. You don't like it, Kinsey? I like My Little Ponies. Max stood at a moat. Max, that wasn't very nice. Well, it's not nice to interrupt me. I'm watching my favorite show. That again. You've seen that show for a million times. Actually, 1,000,001. I watched it again this morning. What's this one about? It's the best one ever. It's stuck in a time warp. They go back in the world to time. Sounds thrilling. It's better than My Little Pony. Porky? It's My Little Pony. Okay, Porky Pony. It will make him stop. He knows, he's just pushing your buttons. Speaking of buttons, look what I found. What is it? I don't know, I found it in the garage. Dad must have left it there on his way to work. What does it do? I don't know. It has a lot of buttons on it though. It looks like a TV remote. Let me see that. Yep, this looks like Dad's work, alright. There's something in the back. I can read it though. I can barely read it. It says, property of Universal Technologies. Yep, that's where Dad works. Maybe we shouldn't mess with it. What do you mean? Dad always says stay out of my shop. That's only because you make a mess. Nuh-uh. You're a messy person. Am not. Or two. Am not. Or two. Or two. Am not. Exactly. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Now I got it. I'm gonna try it out. Max, you better be careful. You don't know what that thing can do. Max, what are you doing? Are you rubbing that on your bum? That's gonna be so mad. It brings us good luck. I don't think so. Max, we better put it back. No, I'm gonna just try one button. Max, where are you? I'm over here. I'm dancing. Where are they? I don't know. It's completely black. I can't feel anything around me. Can you feel the floor? No, I can't feel anything either. Kinsey, take my hand. We need to stick together. Dad has a new invention. I think we're not invention. Not this show again. The problem is, how can we get out of it? I can't grab the remote and I can't feel anything. Yay! I can't feel anything. 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 Not in my own TV. I can't feel it. I can't feel anything. We need help. That's a great idea, Kinsey. Let's get the MAK Attack Kids to help us. Good idea. MAK Attackers, are you there? Click like if you're there. Okay, great. On the count of 3, say these words. Dark, dark, go away. Come again some other day. How do we get it here? I don't know. I'm scared. That's how dimensions work. Duh. Special powers now. Yeah! I think we learned something from that, didn't we? Yeah, not letting you have the remote. You can't do that. Please don't leave me, Mama. Maybe we learned something else. MAK Attackers out here to help us. I think we should put this way before. Uh-oh. Where is it? Kinsey has it. What? No! Kinsey! Get me Thanks, MAK Attackers. That must have been you helping us. Yeah, thanks, MAK Attackers. You're pretty funny, Kinsey. You didn't think I was trying to play with you. No, Max can't have it. Give it to me. Give it to me. No, I know just where to put it. You can't put up your nose. Why not? I'm trying to help you. Long. Me too. Let's get that remote and put it away.
Hey guys. Have you guys seen something that looks like a remote control? I left it here when I took off for work today. Maybe it's over here.
Eva, hide it. I am. Just don't push any buttons.
Maybe it's over here in this couch. Oh, there it is. What all this guy here? Oh well. Well, the important thing is you guys didn't mess with this, right? All right. See you guys later. I'm off to work.
Now back to Captain Fantastic. No, I watched My Little Ponies. Please watch our video. Be sure to like and subscribe.